Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find DraftKings promo codes in 2025. So as you can see that I'm currently on DraftKings.com's official website. So you just have to come to the official website of it and over here click on the promos option. Now once you click on promos, it will show you all of the currently working promo codes that you can use in order to get the best out of DraftKings.com. Now in the second method, you just have to simply open your web browser and search for DraftKings promo codes 2025. Now, once you search for it, you will find a bunch of different websites that are actually providing you DraftKings promo codes. Like this one is giving you $200 worth of bonus. So you just have to open these websites one by one in a new tab and you need to hop on to them one by one. Over here, you just have to scroll down a bit and you need to try to find the promo code that is actually working. You need to make sure that you read the instructions as well in order to get the best applicability of that particular coupon code. So after getting the coupon codes from this website, you can easily use them at draftkings.com. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.